Hello my fellow riders, it is Chris at Riding Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the Bullit Hunt 250cc. So this is actually a second-hand bike and we can't get these in the UK anymore. They are Euro 3 spec instead of Euro 4. They may well bring them out again in the future, but this is just looking at one if you decide you wanted to get a second-hand one. So we'll take it the same sort of route. We'll be looking at spec, comfort, price. So as you'll see, Dave is also with me on this test ride on the Royal Enfield. We were going out for a test ride, so why not? The specs on this bike is a 250cc 4-stroke engine, which is air cooled. It has a 5-gear manual gearbox with a wet clutch, discs front and rear, and 17-inch tyres front and rear. It has upside down forks and it has a oil dampener twin shock system on the back. It does come with electronic start. The power output on this bike is 27.66 horsepower, and that should get you somewhere in the 85 mile per hour range. As you can see, the Enfield has quite a lot more power than the Bullit, but the Enfield is a 500cc whereas the Bullit is a 250. These bikes are rather comfortable to ride. The seat is soft and supple, and there is enough room on the seat for a pillion as well. Due to the fact that the engine has more horsepower, you can keep up with traffic better, so that does help with your comfort as well. You're not looking around for somebody to overtake you every 5 minutes, and that definitely helps. The mirrors are wide, so you can see past your shoulders if you're broad, and the foot pegs are slightly forward, so you can have a sitting up position, which makes it so that on a longer ride it is more comfortable and you don't get number. So when this bike was new, it was £2,550 plus £100 on the road. The newest bike you can get now would be from about 2018. That would be when the derogation ran out. So if you're looking for a 2018 low mileage bike, you should be looking at £1,500 to maybe about £1,700, depending on how good the bike is. Road tax is £43 a year, and if you are getting one that's slightly older, you will need to do an MOT. MOTs are about £35. You will need an A2 license to ride this bike, and you would be looking at somewhere in the region of £150 to about £200 for insurance. I recommend Lexham insurance, and there is a link below in the description. So thank you for watching my video. Comment below if you've got anything to say, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated to all my latest content, and most importantly, ride safe.